Welcome back to our channel. Can you solve this our density problem? And the question is 8 power x plus 8 to power x that is equal to 64. And you have to find the value of x. This is very simple question. You can easily solve this, but if you don't, I will solve for you. So here we can take 8x common, like 2 power x, and here we can write 1 plus 1, which 1 equal to 64, and adding this 1 and 1, it will become 2. That equates 64. And if we move, put to the RHS side, so in this multiply becomes divide. So ultimately it will become a x that is equal to 64 divided by 2 and 2 into 32. So the expression will become 8x to the power x, which is just to 32. Okay. Now we can think this is e to power 5 and here 8 to power 3. Or simply we can say 2 into 2 power x into 2 into, which will be 5 times. Okay. And simply we can write 2 to power 3 because here 3 2 are x, which is equal to 2 to the power 5 times. Okay. 5 times. Have you see? So from this equation, we can equate this power value of RHS side and be equate to this power value of RHS side. So finally, we can write 3x that is equal to 5. And then after this expression, as you know, this is we can equate to very simple process, and we will find the value of x. This multiply with divide, x will become 5 by 3. And this will be answered. And also if you find more question, go down in the description and find books and questions. So go and check out. And also subscribe for more questions.